students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you the chapter linear equations in one variable and we were solving the questions from exercise 7a and we have solved till question number 15. Now we have to continue from question number 16, but I am leaving question number 16, question number 17, both the questions are your homework. I have to start from question number 18. So question number 18 is y minus 1 upon 3 minus y minus 2 upon 4 is equals to 1. I have written the question on the board. Now, students, you have to tell me 3 and 4 are which type of numbers. If you want, you can comment down in the comment sections. Yes, 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers and the LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. So, what is the LCM of 3 and 4? It will be 12. So, now to make it 12, 3 has to be multiplied by 4. Same goes with the numerator also. Now, to make it 12, 4 has to be multiplied by 3. So, upon 12, now we have a common denominator. Now, this 12 is in division with this numerator. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will be in multiplication. Okay. So, now it will be 1 multiplied by 12. Now, 4 multiplied by y will be 4y. 4 multiplied by minus 1 will be minus 4. Minus 3 multiplied by y is equals to minus 3y. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. So, 3 2s are 6. 2 negatives will make it positive and here it will be 12 because 1 12s are 12. Now collecting all the like terms together. So 4 minus 3 will be y because 4 minus 3 is 1. So you can simply write y or you can write 1y and minus 4 plus 6 plus minus and sign of the greatest number. So it will be 1y plus 2 because 6 minus 4 is 2 is equals to 12. Now plus, this is plus 2 on the left hand side. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will become minus 2. So 12 minus 2 is 10. So what is the value of 10? Sorry, what is the value of y? The value of y is 10 in this question and we have to check that whether this value is correct or not. For that, what we have to do? Place the value of y in the equation. Okay. So, I have to place 10 in place of y. So, 10 minus 1 upon 3 minus 10 minus 2 upon 4 is equals to 1. Now, 10 minus 1 is 9. It will be 9 upon 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. It will be 8 upon 4 is equals to 1. Now, what we have to do? We have to solve this. This can be simplified. 3 1s are 3 3s are 4 1s are 4 2s are. Before taking the LCM, if the fractions can be simplified, then you can simplify them. So as you all can see that these fractions were easily simplified. So I have simplified them. Now what is remaining? 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 and 1 is equals to 1. LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verified. If during exams the question comes like you solve the following equation, then you simply have to find out the value of the alphabet which is given in the equation, whether it is X, whether it is Y, whether it is T, M, L, any alphabet is given, you just have to find out the value. But if it is written check your result, then in that case you have to do this verification process. If it is not written to check the result, then you don't need to do the verification process. Okay. Now moving on to the next question of this exercise. So the next question is similar to question number 20 also. Question number 19 is similar to question number 20. So I am not solving question number 19. That is your homework. I am solving question number 20. Right. So question number 20 is 2x minus 1 upon 3 minus 6x minus 2 upon 5 is equals to 1 upon 3. It is quite similar to question number 19. So I have left that question. Now In question number 19, you have to collect firstly like terms together, then you have to take the LCM and solve it. Okay. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Both the numbers are co-prime numbers. So their product will be their LCM. So what is the product of 3 and 5? It is 15. To make it 15, 3 has to be multiplied by 5. And to make it 15, 5 has to be multiplied by 3. Now 15 is the common denominator is equals to 1 upon 3. Now this 15 is in division with this fraction. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will be in multiplication. So the next step will be 5 2x minus 1 within bracket minus 3. Within bracket it will be 6x minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3 multiplied by 15. Now 15 comes in the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3 5s are. Now we have to multiply this. As you have studied in the algebraic expression, this term will be multiplied by both the terms given in the bracket. So 5 2s are 10, 10x minus 5, 3 6s are 18 and 3 2s are 6 is equals to 5. Only 5 is remaining on the right hand side. Now collecting the like terms together, 10 minus 18 will be minus 8x plus minus minus sign of the greatest number. Minus 5 plus 6 is equals to, it will be plus 1 because plus minus minus sign of the greatest number. Now minus 8x is plus 1 is equals to 5. Now this plus 1, once it will go on the right hand side, it will become minus 1. So what you can do, instead of sending this plus 1 to the right hand side, send this minus 8x to the right hand side, so that it will become plus 8x. So 1 is equals to 5 plus 8x. Now this 5, it will come on the left hand side. It will be 1 minus 5 is equals to 8x. Okay. 1 minus 5 is equals to 8x. Now I am writing the last step of this question here so that it will be visible to all the students. So now 1 minus 5 plus minus minus sign of the greatest number. So it will be minus 4 is equals to 8x. And now this 8 is in multiplication with x. Once it will go on the left hand side, it will be in divide. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 1. What will be the value of x? The value of x will be minus 1 upon 2. Okay, what is the value of x? It is minus 1 upon 2. So I hope you must have understood how I have done this question, students. Now let's do the verification process of this question. So for the verification process, I have to place the value of x as minus 1 upon 2 in the equation. So it is 2 within bracket minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus 6 within bracket minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 5 is equals to 1 by 3. This is the equation. Now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Okay. Now here 2 1s are 2 3s are. So it will become minus 3. Here it will be minus 1. So minus 1 upon 3 minus, here it will be minus 3 minus 2 upon 5 because 3 1s are 3 and there is a negative sign. So it will be minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Now minus 1 will be minus 2 upon 3 minus 3 minus 2. It will be minus 5. But again there is a negative sign. So once it will be multiplied by that minus 5 multiplied by minus sign. So it will become plus. So minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 5 is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay. Now this 5 by 5 will be cancelled. 5 1s are 5 1s are because it can be simplified. Now writing the next step here. So now what is remaining? Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. Now what you have to do, just take the LCM, or sorry, this minus 2 by 3 is in the left hand side. Okay, once it will go on the right hand side, it will become what? Plus 2 by 3. So now 1 is equals to 1 upon 3 plus 2 by 3. So 1 is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3, and both the denominators were same. So 1 is equals to 1. LHS is equals to RHS, and we can say this hence verified. Okay, I hope you must have understood, students, how I have done this question. In the same way, you have to do those 3 questions which I have given you as homework. Now there are from question number 21 till question number 32. I am giving you the options to all the students, that in the comment section you have to comment which question I have to solve, because solving all the questions will take a lot of time. The procedure is same. So if you want me to solve any question from question number 21 till question number 32, you have to comment down in the comment section. I will read the comments and then I will solve those questions in the next video. So all the students who are watching the video, kindly comment. And till then, stay happy, stay safe, bye-bye, take care, stay healthy.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.